Hello guys and welcome to my channel EngiQuest. In this lecture we are going to learn fundamentals of engineering mechanics, so let's dive right in. In this we are going to cover concept of force, torque, impulse and Newton's laws of motion. What is force? Force is a push or a pull that can change the motion of an object. Imagine you're trying to open a door. You apply force by pushing on it. This force causes the door to rotate on its hinges and open. Force is product of mass and acceleration and its SI unit is Newton. To get clear idea of force, take example of pushing a cart. To push cart you apply force to the cart by pushing it. This force makes the cart move forward. Key points to remember. 1. Force has both magnitude and direction. 2. Force can cause an object to start moving, stop moving, accelerate, decelerate, or change direction. What is torque? Torque is a twisting force that causes an object to rotate around an axis. Imagine you're trying to tighten a bolt with a wrench. You apply force to the end of the wrench, causing it to rotate and tighten the bolt. This rotational force is torque. Torque is product of force acting on direction of rotation and perpendicular distance between pivot and force acting point. For example, you apply force to the door handle, creating torque that causes the door to swing open around its hinges. Key points to remember. Torque depends on the applied force and the distance from the axis of rotation. A larger force or a longer lever arm results in greater torque. There are 3 Newton's laws of motion. First law of motion, which also known as the law of inertia. It states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. For example, a book on a table will stay there until someone picks it up, or a hockey puck sliding on ice will keep sliding until friction slows it down. Second law of motion, which also known as the law of acceleration. It states the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass. For example, pushing a heavy cart requires more force to accelerate it compared to pushing a lighter cart with the same force. Third law of motion, it also known as the law of action and reaction. It states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. For example, a rocket launches by pushing gases downward, and the gases push the rocket upward with equal force. Thank you for joining me in this session on fundamentals of engineering mechanics. I hope you found it informative and that it helps you in your studies and career preparation. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EngiQuest for more videos like this one. Together, we'll explore the fascinating world of mechanical engineering. See you in the next video.